Sanding the tight curves around a small outboard propeller requires a special setup. We'll start with a 2-inch disc and mandrel kit. But while the mandrel is somewhat flexible, we're going to add a 3/4 inch, very soft gray interface pad to get the most flexibility possible with our discs. 80 grit discs start the process, removing old paint and surface damage. The very soft interface pad allows the disc to flex into tight corners and spaces, and even to flex in multiple directions when spanning a compound curve. This flexibility lets you work quickly down through the grits, so you can get your prop back in the water as quickly as possible. Next time you find yourself sanding in tight spaces, check out the 2-inch sanding disc and mandrel set, along with the very soft gray interface pad from 2sand.com.